Hey, I'm Daniel from Russia and I travel across the world with zero money. I've recently come to UAE from Turkey and my goal is to survive here within 1 month. I'll try to get food for free or earn some help for it. Decided to want to find food. It's empty. At least it cools down. Also, I need to earn for the ticket to my next destination, Russian foreigners. We ask for the tickets. I very hope it will be enough. Alright, here we go. Oh, today we earned too much. The whole cup of money. I think around 500 dirhams. If it won't work and 1 month is expired, I need to quit the game and back to the home country. These are the fair rules of the game.